Bangalore University is one of the largest universities. We have about 325,000 students, and we have adopted the semester system of examinations. So at any given time, we have, every 6 months, we have about say 20 lakh scripts to be evaluated. Previously, we had a lot of delays in, prior to all these exam reforms were introduced, we had a lot of delays in, say, having the results. Sometimes it used to take even up to 120 to 160 days. And then, it was putting the future of the students in jeopardy. A lot of tension on the parents' side. There was a lot of tension on the teacher's side. That was the problem because of old methods of, evaluations and things like that. 20 lakh scripts is not a joke to evaluate, and every 6 months. Virtually immediately after the 90 hours of teaching is over, they are into exams, internal tests and all that. See, now what we have done is we have introduced the optical mirror reading facility, so that immediately after the marks are marked, immediately it is scanned. And that's the first step which we took. Then say we decided that of course the remuneration of the evaluators was increased. We have increased it from 25 scripts a day of evaluation to 36 scripts. That's a regular feature. But immediately after say we started using the OMR sheets and then scanning it, the next step was to see that all the results are announced online, and the website, the results are being announced online, and now even the hall tickets can be downloaded without the student having to come physically to the university. They can download from our websites. And we also announce the results on website. Now we are announcing the marks cards also are on website. And then of course now the duration now between the end of examination, the announcement of results has been reduced to about say 20 to 25 days. Then on re-evaluation side, we have introduced Xerox copies, because we don't want frivolous students just for the sake of purchasing time ask for re-evaluation, those who have failed, So then once we give the Xerox copy, if they still feel that some irregularity is there and they deserved a better this thing, they can apply for re-evaluation. And if on re-evaluation, if the contention of the student is right, that he should have got better marks, or the university has erred in this thing, we return even the examination fee. Okay. So now you see, previous to I took over, the number of re-evaluation scripts was about 98,000 every semester. Out of the 20 lakh scripts, about 98,000, about 1:10 was the ratio. Now we see with the introduction of OMR sheets and see the invigilations and introducing these OMR sheets, now the re-evaluation scripts has come down to about 9,800. So virtually 10% of what it used to be now. Now we are giving these Xerox copies for evaluations and things like that. See, then the immediate next thing was, now we announced that even the degree certificates can be obtained online. They used to have what's called the Tatkal certificates that used to be revalidated at a later time. Now you see the whole this thing is they can pay it online and you see download the degree certificates straight away. Then we have introduced barcoding for the answer scripts. It's not just a usual single barcoding that we have introduced. We have introduced double barcoding, and we just even tear off that barcode, and nobody will know as to who is evaluating whose paper. It's totally transparent and foolproof. So nobody will have even access to. Even it's a computer generalized match. Altogether a different number is given to the evaluator. They will not have any access to either the college or the students this thing. So that way it has been a wonderful introduction. 2D barcode has worked effectively, and the number of malpractices has come down significantly. Now you see, this time onwards we are on a pilot basis. We have asked MindLogix, and we went in for a tender actually to scan these papers, all the papers, to scan them and online evaluation. So this for the BCom, then the BBM and the BA. So we are introducing the online, about 1 lakh students, 1 lakh scripts are being evaluated online. I think the moment the answer scripts are obtained at the evaluation center, immediately they are scanned, and the teachers are required to evaluate it on the PC. So it reduces malpractice in the sense no insertions, no restitching, no overwritings. All these things are prevented. I hope if this project, a pilot project succeeds, we want to introduce this to the entire Bangalore University system. Oh, it's such a satisfaction, you know. I told you previously the results used to be anywhere between 120 and 180 days. I could see the anxiety on the students' face and the anxiety on the parents' face, you know, because they cannot go for post-graduation, they cannot pursue careers. So it was a lot of anxiety, and even they say to have contributed significantly when the duration of results from the date of examination to the announcement of results, now it's come down to 22 days. See, it's a fantastic relief that, you know, the students are able to pursue their courses. There is the, you know, satisfaction on the face of the parents, and the teachers feel you know, great that the results are being announced in time as a welfare measure. Generally 98% of the colleges they are doing, I mean they are very comfortable, and they are very happy at the very fact that the results are being announced in time, you know, because that will also help them. See, there are many post-graduation centers, many career-oriented this thing, campus selections, everybody, you know, once the transparency and accountability is increased, the rating of the university will go up. See, now last year we have been rated 13th university in all India basis. We have got 505 universities, including the deemed universities. See, now we have moved up to 13th position, and we are number 1 in Karnataka.